for the other side. This is the end notch it also. And we're going to be using this zipper. You can use black. We're going to be joining the fabric to fabric together. This is the part we notched. So we're joining only the main fabric. We're not adding the lining to it. So this is the notched part, which will tell us the ending. This place has to match. This line here has to match. And let's not forget our zipper allowance. So I'm going to start from this part we notched. I want to cross check my zipper allowance points. So this is it. So I'm going to start from there and sew. I've secured the center front of the main fabric with the hem of the zip at the beginning part here. Okay, the beginning part here. So still remove the lining piece. You're not sewing on the lining yet, but sewing on the main fabric. One side done, go ahead now to do the other side of the zipper like this, or you can sew from the other side, but I'll sew like this. Now this is the lining, it's on its own. We're going to turn it now. The lining will be turning the zipper. So turn it inside out now. So this is how it looks. This side is not done yet. So this is the part that we have turned. So this other side that is not done, we'll take the lining again and turn the zipper. So this time I will start from the neck. Just make sure that when you turn, you match it up very well with the neckline. So we'll start from the neckline on this side. Okay, so when you turn it inside out, this is what you get. This is how the wrong side looks. We attached Ankara to the lining so that it will look as when you open the zipper, the Ankara will show, not the lining. So now I'll loosen the zipper. Okay, so this is it. The zipper, I've opened it up. So I'll just zip it down now so that we can see how it looks. So this is the jacket zip. Fixing the sleeve now. I'm fixing in the sleeve. So we're not fixing the sleeve to. We're going to fix the sleeve, the Ankara sleeve to the Ankara cloth. So fabric to fabric, lining to lining. That's the backed out seam part. So make sure that the side of the zipper, the side of the sleeve, the side seam of the sleeve, and the side seam of the jacket is matching. I'm going to pin it down like this. We're going to fix the sleeve lining. Just remove this lining of the sleeve inside. So I'm fixing only fabric to fabric. So I'm going to sew this round, the fabric to fabric. So I'll sew it round. So we've attached the sleeve only, we've attached the sleeve now only to the fabric. So I'll go in now and attach the lining. So this is the lining of the sleeve. Okay, this is the lining of the sleeve. You know you're going to attach it good side to good side. So where you're going to sew this one from is that I will come in from the other armhole. That's where I will go in from. This is the side seam of the jacket now. I'll just bend it. I'm going to match it up with the side seam of the sleeve. Okay, I'm just going to bend it like this. I came in from the other armhole and put it the way it should look, good side to good side. I will bring it out from that second armhole that I've not fixed a sleeve yet. I will now sew it round. As you sew round, you want to make sure that the fabric, they are matching up nicely. The lining of the sleeve and the armhole of the lining bodies is aligning well. Now you can see the lining is fixed, lining to lining, okay, fabric to fabric. So this sleeve is fixed. Okay, so now I want to fix the other sleeve. So this is the sleeve, this is the sleeve, and this is the main jacket. This is the side seam of the jacket. So this one now, I just took it, you know, I've not attached the lining yet. So let's just attach the sleeve. While you sew, always ensure that the fabric hems, the edges are aligning properly. It's very important. So just keep sewing round and round till you get to the other end. We started from one side seam and we'll sew to the other side seam. Now the sleeve is fixed, fabric to fabric. So we'll come in from the neck to fix in. The neck area is the only available space you can go in to pull out the other lining. That's the lining of the sleeve. So just find a way to bring out the sleeve lining of the last part. Match it up with the side seam of the lining bodies. While you sew, ensure that the side seams are matching and sew it round like a circle. Ensure the edges of both pieces are matching up, they are aligning properly, and just keep sewing round from one side seam to the end of the other side seam, and ensure that you're not twisting the sleeves or anything. Make sure they are all aligning properly. The lining is fixed. So let's go and cut the collar now. I'll measure everything I have here. And this is 8.5, almost 9 inches. You can make your collar height like 2.5. You measure round, that gave me 9, so I need 18 inches. So 18 inches on fold will give me 9 inches, okay? This is 2.5 on fold and 18 inches on fold. This is 9 inches. So you come in with the neckline of your jacket. This is the center front, and align it well to your center back. Place your center back here. The collar height to be. So I want my collar height to be 2 inches. So I will start my center back from here. I would keep matching it up till I get to where I want the collar to stop. So this is where I want the collar to stop. I will need like 1/2 inch around here. So I will draw my chalk line now. So this is it. So this is the shape of the collar. And so you place your collar like this. Try to put the tip here that's on fold at the beginning of the center front. So you're going to turn it now with your so after doing one end like this, cut the collar and see how it looks. So it's like this at the beginning. You can see I'll cut all the excesses away. I'll go to the other end again and do the same thing. Fold it like this, place it on the center front of the zipper, then turn it with your lining. Just place it like this so I can cover. Then you sew. I'll stop again. Let's see how it looks when you turn it inside out. You can see this is how it will look. Now we're going to go into the jacket because we're going to turn everything inside out. Go to one side of the jacket, like one of the side seam of the jacket, losing a little space so that we can go in from there to secure the neckline properly. So you just losing one of the sides of the side seam of the jacket, just losing a little so that you can go in, let's say about 2 inches wide or 3, as the case may be. Just something that you can go in with. Okay, so this space is enough for me, so I'm just going to go in like that now and pick out the neck. I'm aiming for the neck area. Okay, when I get to the neck, I'll bring out everything from that place, from the side hole. Okay, so we're going to bring out everything. So I will start sewing now. Everything is arranged well. The band, the collar band, the lining and the fabric is well arranged. Then you start sewing. You keep sewing and ensure not to pull on the collar band. We are not pulling on the collar band. Keep aligning the fabric, the collar band and the lining piece together till you get to the other zipper end, because we are sewing from the center front or from one side to the other center front, like zipper to zipper. So keep arranging everything nicely. Ensure that the edges are aligning. That's very important. And so don't stretch on the band. When you are done, cut off the excess zipper. Then you can trim all these excesses at both ends. Okay. Now turn out the jacket from that hole that we created. So we'll have our collar like this. Okay, collar is like this now. This is the wrong side to the other zipper area. So this is it on the good side. We initially opened up, so I'm going to be closing it now. You can sew it by hand and top stitch on it. So that's what we'll do here. Here you have it, the finished project. The welt pocket side, the visible pocket area, the sleeves, the sleeve band, the zipper area, the collar band. So we can turn to the reverse side now. And this is the reverse side of the jacket. Is a bagged out seam. Everything looking nice and sharp. Thank you for watching. Please like my video, subscribe, drop a comment, ask questions, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you.